got out of my house and we see this little cat. And I'm like, okay, so this is baby cat, so be gentle. I thought the mom was nearby, but the cat just walked in with us. And the cat goes directly to Toast and follows her around everywhere. And was like, okay, you're my mom. So I feed Toast her morning food, and the cat just goes straight into the food. She lets the cat eat her food. Toasty, what do we do? And then the two just got along. It got so intense between them. Toast would help her get on furniture. She would push her up the steps, take her down the steps. And then at some point I realized that the cat used to sleep in between Toast's legs and stomach. And I saw the cat grabbing Toast, and I think that's the movement of breastfeeding. And I called my vet, and she was like, it's normal. She has what they call like a stress pregnancy. She was just like, okay, I have to take care of this tiny thing. Quite protective. The kitty started getting close to the stool, and Toast got up and took her from the neck and brought her back to where we were sitting. She was super anxious for the cat, and she was super alert. And they would cuddle because she was calmer when the cat was there. I've always felt that animals are super instinctive and nature is well done. Toast especially, she's so human that she really just works on emotion. She has very strong instincts. She's like a human being.